Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a delicious journey north to explore the heartwarming world of traditional Scandinavian baking. Have you ever heard of hygge? It's that Danish and Norwegian concept of coziness, contentment, and well-being. And let me tell you, nothing embodies hygge more than a freshly baked Scandinavian treat. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the spices, textures, and traditions that make this baking style so incredibly special. First up, let's talk about the key players in the Scandinavian spice rack. You won't find a kitchen in Sweden, Denmark, or Norway without a prominent jar of cardamom. This fragrant spice is the soul of so many Scandinavian bakes, from the iconic Swedish cinnamon bun, or kanelbulle, to Finland's pulla. Unlike the heavy cinnamon flavor you might be used to, cardamom offers a complex, floral, and slightly citrusy warmth that is just unforgettable. Saffron is another star, especially during the Christmas season, giving the famous Lussekatter or St. Lucia buns their beautiful golden color and unique flavor. Now, let's move beyond the spices and look at the different types of dough. Scandinavian bakers are masters of yeasted doughs. These are often enriched with butter, milk, and eggs, creating a wonderfully soft and pillowy texture. Think of the Danish wienerbrød, which you might know as a Danish. It's a masterpiece of lamination, with dozens of delicate, buttery layers. Then there are the rye breads. In Scandinavia, rye bread isn't just a healthy option. It's a staple with a deep, complex flavor. Danish rugbrød is a dense, dark, and often seed-filled loaf that's perfect for open-faced sandwiches called smørrebrød. It's completely different from the light, fluffy white bread you might be used to, and it's incredibly satisfying. Of course, we can't talk about Scandinavian baking without mentioning cookies and cakes. Especially around Christmas time, kitchens are filled with the aroma of baking. In Norway, it's traditional to bake at least 7 different kinds of cookies, a tradition known as syv slag. These can range from simple buttery shortbreads like sandkaker to intricate, crispy crumb cake made on a special decorative iron. And have you ever heard of the Swedish prinsesstårta, or princess cake? It's a spectacular dome of sponge cake, pastry cream, and raspberry jam, all wrapped up in a beautiful layer of green marzipan. It's as delicious as it is stunning. What really makes Scandinavian baking so special is its connection to tradition and community. These aren't just recipes. They are carriers of culture, passed down through generations. The act of baking and sharing these treats is central to the concept of fika in Sweden, which is so much more than a coffee break. It's a moment to pause, connect with friends and family, and enjoy something sweet. It's about slowing down and appreciating the simple pleasures of life. Baking isn't a chore, it's an expression of love and hospitality. So, from the cardamom-scented buns that warm your soul to the intricate holiday cookies that bring families together, Scandinavian baking is a beautiful tapestry of flavor, tradition, and pure comfort. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest things, like a shared pastry and a hot drink, are what make life truly sweet. I hope this has inspired you to perhaps try baking a kanelbulle or a simple rye bread yourself. Let me know in the comments which Scandinavian treat is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you next time.